Expectations have never been higher, and failure is not an option. Our only valid response to criticism and demands is to perform our duties in a manner that increases public confidence in government. You are joining the executive at a defining midpoint, a moment that calls for greater effort and deeper commitment to achieving a national transformation that leaves nobody behind. You have been called to serve, not for personal gain, but to contribute to a team working to consolidate our progress and accelerate the implementation of our bold transformation agenda. This mission demands focus, diligence, professionalism, accountability, and tireless dedication. I say that in the context that this morning I have just referred back to Parliament the Conflict of Interest Law or Bill.
Nyakora Mugiajong mano nyasi mar chamo muma matimore achiel kachiel e kar jot mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mano bore Nairobi kae kamodo chieng' makawuono jotenda migepe ariyo mano moriwo kanyo Geoffrey Ruku kachiel kod Cheptumo chamo muma mar mondo mi gichak tiyo ayanga e migepe mopogore opogore mayande owalgie kae to bang'e od bura ne opuodhogi kamodo chieng' makawuono gichamo muma yanga. Kopogore kod mano bende nitiere jogoro mongierore 14 ma ochamo muma odiochieng' makawuono kendo gibro bedo ka gitiyo e migepe mopogore opogore. We wadogane kuro wawinjane kaka jatend piny Kenya William Ruto loso gisani.
That will help us manage and eliminate eventually matters corruption that in many cases come as a result of conflict of interest for public officials who serve not the public but their interest. Our collective mission is clear: to turbocharge our economy, create opportunities, beginning with jobs for the youth, deliver universal health care, reform agriculture, expand affordable housing, fix education, improve infrastructure, ensure access to clean water and electricity, and to do all this with unprecedented speed and scale. I say so because today here I welcome the men and women, young and seasoned, to public service. The balance between the energy, innovation, creativity of young people and the seasoned leaders who come with immense experience into this space is a good combination to energize this administration at this midpoint. And it is because there are three things that are fundamental. One, because of the provisions and the imperative of the Constitution to make sure that to the extent possible we must be inclusive. It is the only way that we can harness the talent, the energy, the ideas, and the contribution of as many of us as possible in making Kenya the country we want it to be. And that is why I have engaged in ensuring that we have a broad-based government that carries as many of us as possible. And let me say this for the record, that this broad-based administration in my opinion, is what we need to make sure that we can take head on the things that we have always wanted to do as a nation, that no one side can do it on their own. We have always known that we need to reform our education.